I think it's a bit of a perfect storm for the sector at the moment, and I think if you look back a few years, and people still talk about the COVID issues and people catching up. I think people were catching up pre-COVID at the
Mm.
time, so it sort of just exacerbated the issue with everybody having to shut down for a good couple of years, and just I see undertaking emergency and urgent works then and holding back on planned works. And I think that's starting to filter through now that the planned works haven't caught up. Clients are struggling with decent contractors to undertake the work. They're struggling with resources as well. And as you mentioned there, the addition of additional regulation now with Awaab's law coming into place, they've got decent homes too that's coming down the tracks as well. So not only are they trying to play catch up on plan works, but they've got a lot of issues that have been put on them by the regulator with regards to more urgent operational works and attendance there. So there seems to have been a focus shifted from the planned area, which in our eyes is critical, because really the client should be still pushing forward with the plan works to offset the reactive issues that they've got. But it seems to be a shift of focus onto just dealing with the here and now, just to try and keep those level of complaints down,